The glass enters the insulating glass production line, and the shuttle car automatically takes out the glass from the storage system according to the instructions and sends it to the insulating glass production line. The glass is washed again and dried. This is followed by a precise manual inspection, followed by the application of thermoplastic warm edge strips and sealing of the joints, or the use of aluminum spacers that are automatically bent and filled with desiccant, and then the aluminum frame is installed. After completion, the insulating glass is assembled and filled with argon gas. The argon filling value can reach more than 95%. After completion, use silicone glue for secondary edge sealing on the outside. Finished glass.